Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI weeks, ready to decorate for the week of September 19th through to 25th. And I know this week is the first week of fall and everybody's decorating for fall, but I'm still kind of like, I don't want it to come yet. I don't know. So I'm actually using these stickers from the Happy Planner. I think this was from the Big Mega Floral sticker book. I don't remember. I don't actually have any Happy Planner sticker books left. I just have, I think, maybe 4 random sticker sheets left that I wanted to use up. And I love these because it's a little bit fall slash there's still some summer colors in there. So I'm really excited to use this. Let's get started. So the first one that I'm going to put down is this this Dare to Begin sticker, and it's gonna just take pride of place here right at the top because it's such a big, bold sticker. And the inks that I'm going to use this week are either in my Sailor Pro Gear, which is Diamine Purple Dream, or the Pilot Kakuna, which has Diamine Writer's Blood in it. I think both the purple and that kind of dark burgundy red would look so good in here. Then I want to, oh gosh, I know there's more sticker sheets that I didn't take out. Okay. So yeah, these are all from the Happy Planner Mega Floral sticker book, and I was at a place in my sticker journey where I had just so many sticker books and I wasn't using them all. And if you asked me like what this time last year, or this time even 18 months ago, I had about, I don't know. I don't normally have meetings on Fridays, so it's not too big of a deal. I had over 120 Happy Planner sticker books. As of now, I have none. And the reason I no longer have any is just because they were no longer suiting my style, and I also really wanted to support smaller sticker shops like According to Allie, Create with Mandy, JoJo's Pretty Planner Shop. And I also like being able to buy just collections, just the sheets that I want, rather than buying a whole sticker book and then maybe only using 5 pages out of that whole sticker book, which is what ended up happening with me. I didn't want to get to that place again where I just felt like I was being really wasteful. So one of the things I forgot to do is put down this washi. It's really pretty. I know it's just black grid, and some people are like, it's just black. But there's something about it that adds to a spread. Oh, that one didn't rip nicely. Oh, it looks like there's a few places in here where it's not ripping as well as it should. So I'm going to put that down here as well. Now, I don't know if you guys saw my haul for my latest, or from HOBONICHI, but I'm excited for a week's where I can actually see the quotes at the bottom. That'll be really nice. All right. Gosh, so simple to decorate. And I'm going to add one more thing here, actually. Right there. And then I'll go ahead and fill in the meetings that I've got for next week. So there is my overall finished spread. I really like the way that it looks. You've got the darker florals that are signaling the end of summer, fading into the dark here. I really like that. But that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this very quick plan with me. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this very quick video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.